As we close the 2024 chapter, we will build on the successes we have achieved, but more importantly, we will take what we have learned and the challenges expressed by our people and write the next chapter in Jamaica's prosperity story, the 2025 chapter. This year, as I've already signaled, the government will pivot to a laser focus on growth. Growth is important to increase revenues and income, but more important, increasing output efficiently can reduce the cost of the output to you, the consumer. This is particularly true for agriculture. The Minister of Agriculture was tasked last year to develop a plan to boost agricultural production for the most consumed staples and protein in our local food basket. This year is a pivotal chapter in a larger journey towards a Jamaica that is affordable for all, safe, efficient, productive, caring, and peaceful. I know you understand the importance of reducing debt, keeping the exchange rate stable by having strong reserves, and managing our fiscal affairs that the country avoids profligate spending. I want you to know that the government understands that you want your community roads fixed, water brought to your home, affordable prices for basic items, and progressive wages, peace, and security in your communities, and decent social services. There is a delicate balance which must be carefully managed, and my administration has demonstrated time and time again through crises and shocks and times of stability that we are the best government at managing the economy and delivering the needs of the people. As we embark on the next chapter in Jamaica's journey, I reaffirm my administration's unwavering commitment to continue serving the people of Jamaica. There is still much work to be done, and we know how to get it done well. May 2025 be a year of blessings for you and your family. May our nation be victorious in achieving a virtuous cycle of peace, productivity, and prosperity.
In 2025, we will face a year of intense political activity as the country moves towards general elections. The nation's leaders must set an example by word and deed that there is no place for violence and intimidation in our nation's political affairs. Our leaders must ensure that there is no repetition of the offensive and divisive rhetoric which sometimes soiled our national discourse in 2024. It offends the spirit of one love and violates the ideals of togetherness embraced in our nation's motto, out of many, one people. The police must conduct themselves with absolute professionalism. The nation is relying on you to reject partisanship in the conduct of your duty to serve and protect all Jamaicans. We will continue to consult and engage with the people, bringing forward our vision for a better Jamaica and championing causes that matter deeply to you, finding ways to cushion the crisis of the high cost of living from which the people are suffering, improving the systems of education and training for our children and youths to build a productive and globally competitive workforce at all levels, taking stronger action against corruption and holding accountable those who violate the public trust by scraping public resources for their private benefit, implementing more effective strategies for reducing violent crime, improving the experience and outcomes for people seeking health care in public hospitals where they are often treated in a way that does not befit their integrity, bringing down the price of electricity, which is a national imperative for driving economic growth, and making our bureaucracy more efficient so that Jamaica is an easy and welcoming place to invest and do business. For the remaining period that we are in opposition, which by all accounts will not be long, we continue to perform our national duty of vigilantly holding the government to account and defending the Constitution from any machinations which violate the principles of good governance or erode the rights of our people.